Now that we remember a little bit about a graph, let's look at how we write our ordinate pairs and name and figure out where our points are. So remember, our ordered pair is just a point on the graph, and it is our x and y. So let's look at where these points are. So A, oh, I forgot to label earlier. Remember, if we are starting at the origin and we are going along the x-axis to the right, we are going positive. And if we are going to the left, we are going negative. And if we are going from the origin and going up, we are going positive in the positive area. And when we are going down, we are negative. And that will help us with our ordered pairs. So let's look at these. We have A right here. So we need where's that x and y? So we always start with the x first, and we are going over 1, 2, 3. And since we went left from the origin, that's a negative 3. And then we are going up 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, since we are going up from the axis, we are at a positive 4. All right, then let's also name what is the quadrant A is in, and that is in our second quadrant. Okay, so where is our B? B is right here. So from the origin, we go over right 1, 2. Since we want right, that's positive. 1, 2, 3 down. And since we went down from the origin, that is a negative 3. And what quadrant is this one in? That is in quadrant 4. All right, C. From the origin, we go up 1, 2. So that's a positive 2. Oh, goodness gracious, guys, it's late. We start with our x's, right? Then we go over either way, left or right, to go to C. No. So really that's 0. And then our 2 is our y value. And then which quadrant is that in? Well, it's on our y-axis, so that's what we say. All right, D. From the origin, we go over right 1, 2, 3. We went right, so that's positive. And then we go up 1. Again, up from the origin, that is 1. Which quadrant is D in? It is in the first quadrant. E, from the origin, we are going to be left 2, so that's negative 2. And we are going down 1, 2, 3, negative 3. And which quadrant? It is in quadrant 3. All right, finally, F. And it's over here, hard to see from all my labels, but we go over to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's positive 5. And we don't go up or down from the origin or from the axis, so that is 0. So which quadrant is this in? It is on that y-axis, so that's what we say, y